Welcome to the Nlyte Device Management Platform demonstration. In today's rapidly evolving data center environments, managing the vast array of heterogeneous devices, such as rack power strips, is an exceptionally difficult task.
During today's demonstration, we will highlight two features of the device management platform. First, we will demonstrate a configuration change by updating the contact information for a PDU. In the second, we will leverage the device management platform to upgrade the firmware version. Now let's begin the Nlyte device management platform demonstration. To begin the demonstration, we will update the contact information and the boot monitor version in the PDU software. Currently, the PDU portal shows the contact name is Simon and the boot monitor version is set to 1.08.
We will now launch Workflow in Nlyte Asset Optimizer and choose Create Requests to begin the PDU update process. We will now launch the update process, then choose the request name field.
Let's enter the request name. Select Start in the Status drop-down menu, and then click Next. We now see we have two tasks in pending status. We'll click Next again to move forward with the process. On the next screen, we'll click the plus symbol to select the power strips to be updated. We can choose one or several at this time. For today's demonstration, we'll choose 3 power strips to update, then click Add.
We can now enter the updated contact information and click Done. On the next screen, we'll open the user task, select Actions, and assign to the current user. We'll select Actions again and select Complete. Once again, we will open the user task and select Assign to current user, then complete the task.
Let's refresh the page and verify the contact name has been successfully updated in the contact field in the PDU portal. Great. The configuration change was successful.
As we see in the device portal screen, currently, the firmware version is set to 1.08. We will now return to Workflow and select Create Requests to highlight the second feature component in today's demonstration. We will conduct a firmware upgrade utilizing Nlyte's device management platform. We begin by entering a request name, then selecting Start from the Status drop-down menu and clicking Next.
Now in the Forms tab, we will select the power strips to include in the firmware update process, then select Add, then click Done. Next, let's open User Task, select Actions, and assign to current user. Now we'll select Complete.
Once the user task is completed, the integration task will run, pushing the firmware out to the devices using the protocol designated by the device manufacturer. Here, we access the Notes feature on this device to verify the firmware upgrade has been attached.
The integration task is now complete. Let's refresh the device portal to confirm the configuration change is complete and the firmware was updated.
Thank you for joining today's Nlyte device management demonstration. Please contact your Nlyte representative if you have any additional questions, or visit www.nlyte.com.
Nlyte software defines modern data center infrastructure management.